hit the dirt! Incoming!
Sorry, Nardy. I accidentally had my flame up too high on that exploding popcorn recipe.
It goes boom.
Be more careful next time, Blaze. For I have vowed to light up the light region like it's never been lit up before with tasty exploding treats for this year's annual Light Region Light Show Extravaganza!
We still gonna shoot him off from the top of Smighties? Especially your super-duper quadruple-decker Nova surprise cake?
What better place to fire off the ultimate edible fireworks than a dormant volcano? Come, Blaze, Lavana, we have food to explode.
It go boom.
I've got it! Biggs, make me a new contraption that does something to volcanoes and make it right now.
Already got one, Bart. It's called the Volca Go-Go. It will ignite any sleeping volcano or your money back.
If we use it just when that so-called smart Smighty sets off his fireworks, two things will happen. One, the volcano will erupt, sending rivers of lava down on the unsuspecting Smighties gathered below. And two, the Smighties will remain unsuspecting because they'll think it's all part of the show. Make it so, Biggs.
Just in time. I think we'll start with some Smighty crackers.
Wakey, wakey, sleeping volcano! Pump, Biggs! Pump like your life depends on it! Which it does!
More! This is gonna be the best Light Region light show ever! Wow! That's what I'm talking about!
My work here is done. Let us be gone, Biggs.
Wait a minute. I didn't make any edible lava. Oh, my stars and Smighties! The volcano's erupting! We've got to warn them! We have to find a way to beat that lava down the slope. But how? Oh yeah, come to Papa. According to my calculations, due to the slickness of the icing, we can ride my quadruple decker Nova surprise cake like a toboggan and beat the lava with time to spare.
Later, lava!
The red lava's coming! The red lava's coming!
Whoa, whoa! What's coming?
Lava, volcano, erupting now! We're doomed! Well, that didn't help. I think it's up to the Super 6 to stop that lava.
Ready again? I was born ready. Eat force field! Flower power! Ah! Yikes!
Fin 10, dudes!
Super speed, go!
It's not working! It's not working! If we can put the quadruple decker Nova surprise cake in just the right spot, it should blow the lava in another, safer direction. I hope. Guys, can you force field my cake 5 feet in front of the lava? Now?
Got it, Nardy! Huh? Did you forget to carry the two again, Nardy?
Whoa, Nardy, bruh! Righteous finale! It's party time!
Biggs? What's that rumbling?